I gotta look at my hair. This is my cleaning hair. Hey! Oh. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning video for you guys. My place is a disaster. Well, I think it's a disaster. So I decided since spring is here, why not do a spring cleaning video? I haven't really been in the best moods, I'm not gonna lie. I've been kind of moody and I'm on my period, so want to see me clean, then just keep on watching. Let's go clean this mess. I don't even want to clean. Who the hell am I kidding? Okay, let's go do this. It is made, oh my goodness. I hate making my bed. Making your bed is the worst. Anyways, I just have to dust, made my bed, slept. So yeah, I think I'm getting there. So let's get this shit finished. I'm sweating, I'm hot. Actually, yeah, my window's actually open. Open it a little bit better. Oh. I gotta look at my hair. This is my cleaning hair. Hey! My camera died, so it's pretty much plugged in right here. So, pretty bad at that. Hey! Let's clean this mirror, bitches. I'm gonna go and clean that mirror quickly. off to clean the floors. Got some dishes to put away. I'm gonna go and do that. That is my fast-ass cleaning job. I hope that you guys did enjoy this. I hope that it made you want to go and do your spring cleaning. Not really. Ooh, now I don't have to worry about my OCD driving me crazy. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.